Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 48, Triangles, Section C, Achiever. Let's start. Solve. First, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR and angle A equals to angle P. Then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by, see here I am not drawing both the triangles now, only one triangle will you can imagine the second triangle. Okay, so AB and AC, this is AC, this is AB, and the middle angle A is congruent. So what happens, what is the test for similarity then? Okay, what are the tests for similarity? SSS, SAS, AAA and RHS, right? So these are similar to that of the congruency, only AAA and RHS are different. So this is also called as only AA, that is also known as. So these two would be congruent by what? SAS, right? Now second, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A equals to P, B equals to Q. Therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by, here two angles are congruent, A and B, to P and Q. So by AA test, so this is AA in triangle AB. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.